Happy Black History Month, friends! Remember, Black history is American history. We celebrate it 365 days a year. Kyrie and I are continuing the celebration with just a few prominent Black Americans we feel you should know. Do you know who H. Rap Brown is? Well, allow me to tell you. This, my friends, is H. Rap Brown. Born Hubert Gerald Brown, he converted to Islam and changed his name to Jamil Abdullah Al-Amin. His work with Nonviolent Action Group, or NAG, was recognized. Look him up and learn more, friends. Here is the beautiful Ethel Waters, an amazing Black singer. Miss Waters appeared in the all-Black review Africana. She is widely known for her role as Petunia Jackson in the all-Black cast of the musical and movie Cabin in the Sky. Friends, here is the phenomenal George Washington Carver. Born on a farm near Diamond, Missouri, Mr. Carver became the first African American to earn a Bachelor of Science degree in 1894. He is best known for his work with Peanuts. In fact, Mr. Carver developed more than 300 food, commercial, and industrial products from peanuts. Now here is the wonderful and remarkable Miss Rosa Parks, known for famously refusing to give up her seat to a white person on a bus in Montgomery, Alabama. She was arrested on December 1st, 1955 for that act. Now here is Claudette Colvin. Do you know who Claudette Colvin is? She too was arrested for refusing to give up her bus seat to a white person. In fact, she was arrested on March 2nd, 1955, while being a teenager. Today, we are all free to ride the bus and sit where we like thanks to these trailblazing women. Cheers to Miss Rosa Parks and Miss Claudette Colvin. Friends, check out the amazing Chadwick Boseman. He studied at Howard University and then went on to receive a Drama League directing fellowship. He's best known for his role as T'Challa in the Black Panther movie. The Black Panther, of course, belongs to the Marvel Comics series. Mr. Boseman won numerous awards and still has a huge presence within the Black entertainment industry to this day. And finally, this is Dr. Maya Angelou, known for her work as an activist, a writer, a poet, and a scholar. Dr. Angelou was born Marguerite Ann Johnson. Some of her famous books include I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Did you know she was also a talented singer and dancer? Friends, Black history is American history. Celebrate it every day. You come from greatness. Happy Black History Month, friends. Let the celebration never cease.